All right. Hi, students. I just wanted to show to put on a really short lecture today on how to properly bring up your PowerPoint, over which you will give your presentation with the audio turned on your computer. So this is going to be super short, but I just wanted to walk you through it if it was confusing for some of you and offer some help in that way. So in the background of my computer right now, I already have my PowerPoint. You can't see it because I'm making a Zoom lecture. Um, so it's only showing this part of my screen, but I already have a PowerPoint that's just used for some other lecture that I have in the background. So before you start this process, you should have already created a PowerPoint presentation that has to do with your selected artwork. That's between 2 to 5 slides, that has bullet points and really great high resolution imagery and proper image identification. So hopefully you've already got that in your background. Once you have that there, put it up in the PowerPoint and have it be in slideshow mode, I think is the best one, but not at full screen. And then you press plus. The middle one will give you the screen recorder, and you need to switch screen to application window and then press the next arrow. If you're having an issue and this arrow isn't working, it could be that you have a firewall wall that's maybe up, or you have some pre-established settings on the computer that you're using that are blocking pop-ups, because this arrow leads to a pop-up. So you can see it leads to this pop-up that says allow South Texas College 6 Padlet.org to use your microphone and screen. And then it'll show you all the different screens that you have available. So because I have an early modern Korea and Japan lecture PowerPoint that's already in my background, it comes up as a selection for me. But if this arrow isn't working, it could be that pop-ups have been blocked. So you can go into your settings and change the pop-up options. Or if you're on a Mac or probably any using whatever, I mean, it depends on what you are using for your internet browser. So I'm using Firefox right now. And if I go to File, I can open a new private window under File. And what that does is it usually gets rid of the pre-established firewalls and the kind of the settings in your history or something like that. I don't know. I don't really know that much about that kind of stuff. But that should give you a blank slate, and then you can put the Padlet link in there, and hopefully it'll work and the pop-ups will be available. So I have this pop up here. I see that I want to use my early modern Korea and Japan, and then it's going to come up for me right there, and I can see, yep, that's what I want, and then allow it, and then it's here for me. From here, I can change it into the full screen mode, and then here I have my recorded is everything inside this green box, right? So I think you can I don't know if you can make it bigger or smaller, maybe not, but then I can just start talking, giving my presentation, using the arrow button to go to the next slide, blah, 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 blah. And then when I'm done with that, all I have to do is press stop sharing. And then I have that nice little video there. I can check it by playing it to see if I think it looks good. I can add a title to it for the recording. And then if you press save, it'll take just a second, and then it'll upload that right into Padlet, and you should be able to post your presentation. So I have a few things going on my computer right now, so I don't know if this is taking longer or not as long, but that looks really good to me. So, and then whenever I'm done, I can publish that. So this is kind of just a quick look at how to do that. And then you obviously press publish, and then you have a presentation. And again, it's just going to be your voice talking over. So you have to make sure that your camera is linked up and that you have access to audio. So if you don't have these in your computer at home, you're supposed to, when you're taking an online class, it's required that you actually have a great internet connection and a computer with audio and video attached to it. So if you don't have those things, you can go to campus or you can go to a public library in whatever town you live in, and they can help you get set up with all that. But I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have more questions. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your presentations.